Now, before we move any further, it is only right for me to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Tatiana Ambrose, and I will be your creative instructor in this course. One of my favorite classes since I was little was art class, and I was in different art classes since fourth grade. And by the time I was a senior in high school, I had won the top award of an artist. Now, what I discovered in winning this art award was not that you have to be perfect in your art abilities, but you have to be different. So, as an example, anyone can draw a still life drawing, but what is going to make your still life drawing come to life, your still life drawing stand out? When I understood and took advantage of this key element of mixing creativity with my different art hobbies, that's when everything came together and I was able to stand out. So as you go through this course, I don't want you to have doubts about, oh, well, this is not good enough compared to student A, B, or C, or even myself. We all have our different art styles. We all have our different drawing styles. And I want you to not focus on your drawing style, but focus on adding that unique and creative element that is going to make your exercise stand out and give you further creative inspiration. So with that being said, let's move on to the next lecture.